Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is M.A.C. We are going through with some very crucial time, but we can overcome this by social distinction. So please stay inside your home and stay safe. Today I have created this crown eye look just to boost up ourselves that no virus can rule over us. So please take a break from this fear and enjoy how I have created this look. I'm gonna start with priming my eyes, and I'm using this Indulgeo Pro Concealer and the shade is Porcelain. Now I'm going to blend this with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to set my eye base, and I'm using Crayolin TL4 loose powder, and I'm applying it with the Morphe brush. Now I'm going to add this orange shade as my transition color. The brush I'm using is by Morphe. Now I'm gonna add this beautiful yellow color, and I'm applying it with the same brush. Now I'm going to draw the crown. So I'm using the same Indulgeo Pro Concealer, and I'm using this liner brush for drawing my crown, and this brush is by Morphe. Now with a small flat brush by Morphe, I'm gonna fill this. I'm gonna create those lines again with this red lipstick. Now I'm gonna use this and this two shade by this Huda Beauty Rubia Obsession palette, and the brush I'm using is by Beige Cosmetics. I'm going to stamp that color all over my lid. Now I'm gonna add this color only with my fingertips. Now I'm going to add some glitters by Delancey Glitter Palette, but before that I'm going to use this NYX glitter glue. Now I'm going to add this glitter on the crown. Now I'm going to take some product, the same brush, and I'm going to press that glitter here. Now it's time to do the black line. For that I'm going to use this Faces Canada Ultra Matte Liquid Liner. Now I'm going to add some kajal on my lower lash line, and I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal Pencil for that. I'm gonna create a fake inner corner with the same Faces Canada liquid liner. Now I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. For that I'm again taking this color, and I'll be using this Morphe pencil brush. Now with a small pencil brush, I'm gonna take this color. Now I'm gonna drag this color in the inner side. add some glitter dots, and I'm using this 2 glitter liner for this. My eye makeup is almost done. Now I'm gonna put some falsies and I'll be right back. And now I'm going to conceal my face. For concealer, I'm gonna use this DERMACOL foundation. I have used this foundation on my previous video. Press the I button so you can get the link. So I'm gonna take some product back of my hand. Today I'm going to use a new powder brush by M.A.C. For powder I'm going to use this MAC pressed powder. It's time to warm up my face, and I'm using this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Again I'm using the M.A.C. powder brush for contouring. For blush, I'm taking this and this shade by Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette, and I'm using the same brush for blush also. For highlighter, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighter palette. For lipstick, I'm gonna use this Nika lip liner and the shade is Pillow Fight. And now I'm gonna add some red lipstick, and this is by Colourpop and the shade is Eyebrow. Now I'm gonna set my whole face makeup with this MAC Fix Plus. Here is my crown eye look completed. If you're still here with me, thank you so much for watching. And please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon over here so you will get notification every time I upload. And please stay inside your home and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.